The best pellet smoker grill. Pellet grills can be compared to convection ovens that are used outdoors and can reach low temperatures for smoking and, in some cases, high temperatures for searing food, like steak. They can also be used for baking and roasting. Some pellet smokers can be quite expensive, but we wanted to try out some of the more affordable options. We tested a variety of inexpensive pellet grills, using them to cook everything from hamburgers and pork ribs to chicken thighs, and we evaluated each one on factors such as temperature control, ease of use, special features, and more. Here are the best inexpensive pellet grills on the market, based on our testing. Number 1. A well-made pellet grill, Traeger Pro 575. We're impressed with the precise temperature control, simple control panel, and exceptional fuel efficiency of Traeger's newest entry-level model. Of the 3 pellet smokers we tested, the Traeger Pro 575 was the best at holding low temperatures with a few spikes in heat, thus producing more tender, juicier meat. It's reliable and easy to control, and it can connect to Wi-Fi, so you can control it remotely on your phone, which could actually come in handy over the course of a long, slow smoking session. Yes, it's expensive, but meat is too. And tough barbecue is a real bummer. We think the Traeger Pro 575 makes up for its high price by increasing a beginner's chances of success. Traeger created the original wood pellet grill as the ultimate way to achieve wood-fired taste. The Pro 575 takes it to the next level with precise temperature control. 500° Fahrenheit max temperature. Number 2. Best overall pellet grill. Traeger Ironwood 885. Traeger's Ironwood 885 is one of the brand's most popular models. The cook surface is on the larger side, at 885 square inches, with an oversized top grate. The grates are porcelain-coated, like those on the brand's Pro 575 model, which also performed well for easier cleanup and maintenance. Aside from more cooking space, the Ironwood 885 is loaded with updated features like a control panel that's easier to read, super smoke and keep warm settings, a sensor that lets you know when the pellets are low, a door on the hopper to empty the pellets if you want to try another flavor before they finish, and a strong side shelf with tool holders. The grill comes with a meat probe and built-in storage for it, and also connects to the Traeger app so you can keep an eye on it from afar. It has a 20-pound hopper. This item is updated control panel with extra features like super smoke and keep warm. Oversized top grate provides extra cooking space and can switch out pellets easily with hopper door. In our tests, chicken came out super juicy and tender with crispy skin reminiscent of well-cooked duck skin. It was light, crispy and airy. Steak also turned out tender and was able to achieve grill marks. The grill has a downward exhaust system located on the back instead of a traditional smokestack. This item is dimensions: 53 by 27 by 47 inch. Grilling area: 885 square inch and hopper capacity: 20 pounds. Number 3. Popular pellet grill on Amazon. Z Grills wood pellet grill and smoker. Z Grills has been making grills for other brands for over 30 years, and in 2017, it started selling under its own name, which allows for its competitive price point. This pellet grill has over 1,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating on Amazon, and it offers a stainless steel build with a large 700 square inch cooking surface and a 20-pound hopper capacity. It has updated temperature controls and ranges from 180° Fahrenheit to 450° Fahrenheit. For a step up at a still competitive price point, consider the new 7002 series. It has a pit controller, which helps maintain an even temperature, a temperature probe and a hopper with a viewing window. In our tests, the 7002 Fahrenheit performed similarly to its competitors in terms of how it cooked food, although it seemed to be more on the powerful side. Its frame and oar was a little thinner than other models and required more careful handling. This item is dimensions: 48 by 22 and 51 inches. Grilling area: 700 square inches and hopper capacity: 20 pounds. Number 4. Best pellet grill for charring, Weber Smokefire EX4, second generations. Pellet grills are a new category for Weber, one of our top-tested grill brands. The Smokefire EX4, second gen, features the high-quality polished build the brand is known for, as well as the same flavorizer bars designed to vaporize drippings during cooking for more moist results. It ranges in temperature from 200° Fahrenheit to 600° Fahrenheit, which allowed for char marks on our steak during testing, which is unusual when it comes to pellet grills. Food seemed to cook a little more quickly with this grill than other brands we tested, but it yielded the style of ribs most people are used to, slightly caramelized, fall of the bone and delicious. Any of the Smokefire's nicest features is its built-in Weber Connect technology, which you can control and monitor right from the grill or from the app. It allows you to keep an eye on the grill's ambient temperature as well as the internal temperature of foods. One probe is included with the grill, but up to 3 can be bought separately and used at the same time, ideal for keeping track of various items. The Smokefire comes in 2 sizes, a large, 432 square inch version with a 240 square inch upper rack, or this extra large, 648 square inch option with a 360 square inch upper rack. Thigh situm dimensions, 33 by 43 and 47 inch. Grilling area, 672 square inch and hopper capacity, 20 pounds. Number 5. Pit Boss Vertical Smoker. The Pit Boss PBV3P1 Vertical Wood Pellet Smoker has 4 cooking decks stacked on top of each other. Even with high-volume smoking and grilling, you won't need to worry about space. The Pit Boss PBV3P1 Vertical Wood Pellet Smoker's AutoStar 300-watt lighter quickly fires up the pellet smoker's heating rod. Once the fire is going, the Pit Boss PBV3P1 Vertical Wood Pellet Smoker's Auto Shit feature turns off the heating rod. Hence, burning will not be an issue. The temperature range of the Pit Boss PBV3P1 Vertical Wood Pellet Smoker is from 150 to 400 degrees. The heat deflector ensures that all decks receive the same amount of heat for even and consistent cooking. Dimensions, 26 by 22 and 53 inch. Weight, 97 pounds. Grilling area, 901 square inch. Hopper capacity. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our coal products as it will make your life much easier.